Hi, myself Neeraj, and come, I'll show you around our auto connections booth at Auto Expo 2023. So, going around, first here we have like E-Class Maybach body kit for the 2022 E-Class that is called W213 facelift. Then what we have here is the 2022 Fortuner Modellista body kit. Modellista design, as we know, is from Japan, and these skirts are Modellista skirts. So we have shown the concept of body kit, Modellista body kit on this bumper. Then we are going to introduce soon in the market this Thar exhaust for the petrol Thar. Coming next, we have the full section of original carbon fiber parts. Here we can see the BMW M grill in original carbon fiber, the M style mirrors, and then we have the range of spoilers over here which are absolutely original carbon fiber. Next we have the section of grills. Here we can see we have shown Audi grill concept of RS grill in Audi. Then we have the latest GTR concept in the Mercedes, which they also call AMG. And then we have this Swift GT grill. This is the original GT grill for the Swift 2018. Then we have the sports grill for the Endeavour. And then we have the Creta sports grill as well. So here we have our own section of wheels, and these are the brands we do exclusively for India. One of our main superstar in the alloy section is the Watson. Officially, in the official channel, we are exclusive for this right now. And this is Watson HF7 design, which is the latest in the line from Watson. Here we see HF7 in machine finish, and this is the latest, and this is 22 inches. Next we have here is like KMC, one of the best off-road wheels in wheels. When we take the name of off-road wheels, we have the KMC here, and this is as you can see, satin bronze finish with the black lip. Pretty beautiful. And this is perfect for Thar and Jeep Wrangler, especially for the off-roading purpose. Then we have what we have here is one of the best known wheels in the wheel industry. That is the avant-garde wheel from US. That is AG Luxury. Luxury in its name itself. So you can see the design and the finish of the wheel. Then coming to the forged wheel section, we have the Land Rover 22 inches. This is avant-garde wheel, AG Luxury. Then we have the Defender wheel as well. This is the official Defender design. So next we come to the one of our forte, that is the aftermarket auto lamps. This is exclusive auto connections design. This is Eagle Eyes Taiwan Swift headlamp, and this is Sonar Taiwan made second design for Swift 2018. So here we have both the headlamps, and you can see the finish and the quality difference is there. Of course, the product in itself speaks for itself. And this is the upgrade for normal Fortuner to the Legenda team. Swift pillars we have here. This is the PSM design of BMW spoiler. This is the exclusive red line design of auto connections. This is the Polo headlamp. GTI design. That is the latest addition to the Polo headlamps design. We call it red line design again. As we can see here, these are the Thar headlamp options. These are full LED headlamps. This is the true Jeep Wrangler style headlamp for Thar. This is another design, and this is Eagle Eyes Taiwan. Then we have the Endeavour headlamp here, which is full LED, Bugatti style we call it. Then we have UFO lamps, which is for the roof of the car. Coming down, we have the upgrade for the very popular F10s 5 Series BMW 2010 onwards, which is 2022 design 5 Series for the 2010 to 2016 car. Here we have the full LED headlamp upgrade for the Q7. Q7 2010, that is the Type 1 Q7. The design is inspired by the 2022 Q7, and same for the Audi A4 2012 to 2015, that is Audi A4 B 8.5, and the design is 2022 inspired Audi. Then we have shown the range of diffusers here. These are just a few out of the full range that we have. Diffuser is basically like the bottom part of the rear bumper where the silencer tips rest, and this actually makes a pretty bold look, a pretty sporty look to the car when we change the diffusers. This is a complete section dedicated to off-road accessories and the Thar especially we have shown here. We have the Thar accessories here. So, new range of grab handles, flag rod. Then we have the Jeep inspired triangular 7-slat grill. Top fire design grill for the Thar. Matte and cross connect hooks. Then we have the tow hooks over here, really developed, and then this bumper reflectors, fog lamps, side door hinge steps, and these are pretty good quality if you see. Anti-skid, head pedal, front this DRL for the Thar. Then we have the exclusive tail lamp design of auto connections over here. Winch for the off-roading purposes. The heavy duty tire inflator. AC vents. These are Benz inspired. Turbine design. Bonnet scoop for the Thar. Then what we have here is the automatic side step for the Thar. For those who find it difficult to get inside the car. Then we have then here we have the bumper range for Thar. Now this is the Maybach design ABS bumper, pretty awesome quality with those signature red hooks, and this is perfect fit for the Thar. We don't need to do any modification. This is the full metal bumper, latest in the line from Stylenn off-road bumpers. And as you can see, the design is pretty new and pretty fresh, and this is also a perfect fit, plug and play style bumper.